Okay, so Ava and Tina, cool. So we're here in Georgia, and Mike is going to walk us through the amazing new web app and all the different features that it's got. So over to Mike. He's going to
Yes.
explain it.
So finally, the release date, and we implemented a lot of new stuff. So we will just have a quick showcase what we have built so far. So first of all, we have a completely redesigned MyWallet screen that displays your total wealth. It's like accumulated balances converted to euro. Here's the block with the fiat accounts. Here's the on-chain balance. So you can connect MetaMask wallet to our application. And here's the traditional bank accounts. So like old bank accounts with IBANs. And here's the new digital world. So on the top of the page, we have a top-up button that leads to, let's just click and check. So here's the your account details. You can easily top up with these details your account. You can also share these details, like copy. Also, you can switch between your accounts and even open the digital accounts. Some accounts have like multiple options to fund. For example, GBP has two options. First one is UK faster payments, and the second one is Swift. Yeah, so here's some information about the top up. You can always like expand it and collapse. That's a completely new design that was implemented like today. Also, we have super brand new send flow. Now you're able to send money internally to another Fluid member, to Fluid family, and external account, so for some other banks, let's say. There are multiple options to send money internally. First one is a nickname, second one is a phone number, and the third one is email address. So if you have a friend of yours that just sign up with our new referral program to the application, then you can send him money directly, instantly, without any commissions. So this flow is completely new as well. You just input the email address, phone number, or nickname of a user, specify the amount, specify the node if you want to, and send money directly. And also in that screen, you can switch between the accounts so that you can send Euro, CHF, or GBP, or whatever. So the same actually goes for digital accounts, but for quite obvious reasons, you can send digital currencies or only via internal flow.
In the digital world, essentially, right? Yeah.
So yeah. Yeah, that's a little bit. Yeah, that's a little bit about MyWealth screen, completely redesigned screen. So should we go to savings maybe?
Well, let's go. Let's go. I love the drag and drop feature. This is just so amazing. Show them the drag and drop, because basically, you know, our idea is that we've created money that can exist in 3 different worlds, right? It can kind of exist in like, you know, our Fluid world for our Fluid accounts. It can exist in the traditional space and can exist on chain. So.
Yeah, let's try to drag and drop. Actually, never tried that to do in that browser. So let's try to do that. So here's the actual drag and drop. So as you see, available balances where you can drop are highlighted. So for example, you can drop it here, and the corresponding balances are opened. So
it's amazing. So I've got 10 euros held digitally, and I can swap that basically for Swiss francs in my real bank account. Yeah. Right.
Also, you can, if you like change your opinion, you can always change another currency, or you can even swap them. And also, we can do that not only from Fluid to a traditional bank, but also from traditional to Fluid, for example. And also for speaking of mint and redeem flows, also you can drag and drop digital USD to on-chain USD, and mint will be opened, and the same goes for traditional bank accounts. So you can also drag and drop here.
So essentially what you're doing here is like I'm moving my US dollars into basically my MetaMask, right?
Yeah.
So I've connected my MetaMask. I have US dollars sitting in my bank account, and I can just drag and drop it on chain.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
So this is our goal, essentially, to replace like Coinbase and Binance and all crypto exchanges, right? Because you don't need it. I mean, you can literally drag and drop it, and it takes like seconds on Arbitrum to do it, right?
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool the team's made.
Can I drag and drop it also to a different currency?
Not maybe that one.
You can.
Oh. We can close it.
Yeah.
What? Why no sound?
I don't know.
We barely hear you.
Well, let's just keep going. But she asked if like we could do it for different currencies, and so you can. In this case, would you want to talk about how that would work?
So yeah, there are multiple options to mint right now. Later there will be more options. So right now we allow users to mint their USD or digital USD to on-chain to your MetaMask, and also you can redeem from our stablecoin digital dollar to fiat USD or digital USD.
Yeah, and in the future we're going to work on is also cross-currency, right?
Yeah, sure.
So essentially, if you hold euros in your bank account, but you want a dollar stablecoin that's one-to-one backed, verifiable on-chain, right? Then you can just do that. It's the same thing. It's dragging and dropping.
Yeah, sure. It works almost the same. For sure, there will be not like 1.0 rate because it's euro to USD.
Right. It'll pick up the proper euro to dollar rate.
It will be the same rate as you, for example, exchange USD to euro. So it will be the same rate.
Yeah, amazing.
So, and yeah, here you can switch between mint and redeem.
And you can do the same. The great thing is you can do the same thing, right? Like if you have like a dollar stablecoin on chain, you can drag and drop it into like a traditional bank account, right? Yeah. But literally what I've got right here. So if I want to, I can drag this, my digital dollars, which is essentially our stablecoin that's like one-to-one backed. We can take that and we can like drop it into any of my 4 traditional bank accounts here, right?
Yeah, sure. So speaking about crypto world, we also have quite impressive, cool swap feature that allows you go from Ethereum. You can always exchange your Ethereum if you have one to stablecoin to digital dollar. Yeah. So and here's the flow.
So I see my balance here, and this is in Arbitrum ETH, right? Because we're in love with Arbitrum because it's like fast and cheap. So, but yet it still like settles on Ethereum. So we get the security of Ethereum. So I've got like 28 ETH here, essentially.
Yeah, and as it usually goes, you specify the amount. You can click on these beautiful buttons, and your money will be converted to digital dollar. Yeah. And if you want to do like the opposite action, for example, you have digital dollar in your MetaMask, and you want to convert them to Ethereum or become Ethereum, you can do that also via that page. So you just click on the corresponding button and it swaps the currencies. Yeah. Also, you can specify the slippage tolerance. That is quite like a useful thing. Yeah. So that you control the bouncing of the current price.
Yeah. Amazing. And where does the price feed come from?
Price feed. So the price comes from the actual blockchain. So you just call the smart contract. And it returns the price.
Right, and that smart contract is picking it up from Chainlink, right?
Yep.
So essentially, what we're doing is we're picking that price feed from Chainlink, and that gives us like the Oracle price. So that's why we've called it our Oracle price pool. And so the benefits of an Oracle price pool over an AMM in crypto is that there's no price impact for what we're doing, right?
Yeah. So yeah,
Cool.
Yet another really great and cool feature that I think will simplify the ramp on, so you can easily move the money inside Fluid world.
Yeah. Amazing. So it's super cool.
So yeah, just want to summarize: Mint and Swap are for crypto users. If you want to do something with the crypto world, you can do that via Mint and Swap pages.
Yeah. The great thing about Swap as well is you don't need to actually be signed up to Fluid, right?
Yeah.
You can do it totally permissionlessly and with no KYC. You can just use our Oracle price pools to swap between dollar and ETH, right?
Yes.
On Arbitrum.
So you just don't have to be signed up to the Fluid account. So you just can do that instantly. Just open the page and do that.
Yeah. So it's really cool. But one of the advantages, of course, is that there's no price impact in what you're doing here. So you can buy like an incredible amount of we're offering through our OTC desk, you can do almost unlimited amounts of buying ETH or selling ETH and coming into a traditional bank account with no price impact at all, right? So,
right.
Yeah. All right.
So, and yet another really completely redesigned screen is the My Profile page. So we have a corresponding button for that.
Yeah.
And it is completely new, a lot of cool and new features. So the first one is, so let's probably start from the privacy settings. As I mentioned earlier, we have internal transfers, so transfers inside Fluid family. So you can do that via nickname, email address, or phone number. And for sure, we need to provide some privacy settings for the user so that he can or she can hide his appearance in the search. So if you, for some reason, want to hide you from internal transfers, you can do that via privacy settings. So here's 3 options.
Yeah.
You can just click on that, and it will update your privacy settings. Yeah. And no one will ever send you money, for example, via phone number. So that just privacy option if you want to be more private.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
Yeah, here also it was implemented a long time ago, but anyway, just want to remind that we have 2 options for 2FA. If you are a crypto user, you can sign the transactions, like send money transaction, for example, with your wallet signature, Web3 wallet.
Yeah. And
also you can switch to authenticator. So it could be like Google Authenticator or Authy or whatever.
Yeah.
So it's just OTP.
So essentially, crypto people and normies can use it, right?
Yeah.
So the thing I like as well is that it's incredibly easy to sign up, because if you want to sign up from our website, you can sign up just with an email, right? It's the easiest account in the world. That's why we've designed it. But at the same time, we're really concerned about security. So we do insist on 2FA. Yeah. So you sign things. Well, I would always just sign things with my MetaMask, I guess, right? But if you didn't have a MetaMask or a Web3 wallet, you could just use Google Authenticator or Authy or something else.
Yeah. And also about nicknames, we have also updated the profile page, and now you see your nickname. You can always change it, because when you first time sign up, we generate automatically some funny nickname for you.
Yeah.
So you just go to the profile page and change it for almost anything that you want to change.
Yeah.
There are some,
but it's a random generator, though,
yeah,
right?
It's random.
But it's,
there are some funny nicknames generated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I saw one guy got Curious Skunk or something like that. I don't know. It's not personalized using AI or anything like that. I think it's just random, right?
It's random.
Okay.
It's people we set their nickname.
Oh, right, that we've just launched.
Yeah. You can also take part in our referral program, and you can win up to $75,000. So. The only thing that you want, that you need to do is just invite as much people as you can. Yeah. So invite your family, invite your friends, invite your neighbors. Yeah. Invite some random people from the street.
There's also, so there's a leaderboard, and then so you might invite the most, then you can win up to 75,000 in prize money. But there's also, I think the top person can win 10,000, plus they can also win one of our solid gold cards. But anybody can actually win, even if you only invite one person, because you get invited into some sort of like raffle prize or whatever. So even inviting one person, you could still win like whatever, 25,000 plus, or yeah, I think it's 25,000 if you include the gold in the gold card. So all right, there we go.
In order to share, so how to invite your friend, you just open your profile page. You can click on that beautiful button, and you click on invite a friend. So there are two options to invite a friend. You can just copy the link and send it directly via Telegram or whatever.
Oh yeah, cool. Or WhatsApp or iMessage or something.
Yeah, and you can also, if you like don't have the Telegram for some reasons, but you do have the email address of your friend, you can put that email and just click on send button.
That's
we will send the invite code to the user, invitation to sign up, and that user will be counted as your referral. So we will take into account that invitation.
Okay, cool. So it's a great addition.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
It's really cool. That's amazing. It's amazing what you've made. So, all right, there you go, Tina Neva. So there's an update. We were gonna do more. We're gonna do a call with the community, but we've run out of energy here at the end of the day. So we've launched our web app. We have our mobile app to come. We have Bart here, who is working day and night on the mobile app, and we're waiting for Apple and Google to approve that. I think, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Need to wait for their approval and then can launch it also.
Cool. So we got our fingers crossed on that. And also we're going to reveal the website that Tatiana's been redesigning. We're going to do that at the same time, I think, as the mobile app, because it's like there's a lot of things tied into like the Play Store and the App Store and stuff like that. But I think the web app is just incredible, and it's like, you know, it's totally designed for like crypto people, right? I mean, our idea is that it replaces banks and replaces crypto exchanges. So yeah, so this is really great. You know, Ava and Tina, if you can like get this, I'll save this recording. If you can get it out to the community, that'd be really amazing. It's late here in Georgia. Maybe I'll disconnect from my main screen and I will just go around and show everybody. So it is what time? It's 20 minutes to 11. Here on the 1st of June, so we have lots of people still hard at work. Design team and testers, our core back end, front end, DevOps. We've got Igor. The only thing that Igor really has done for the last few days is put together Lego that comes free with ice cream that you can get here in Georgia. So we've got like lots of people who are here helping, and we have some champagne over here that we're going to open up and celebrate that Boris bought for the first time with our card. So it's amazing. So thanks everybody, and thanks to our community. We really appreciate it. We'll give you more of an update tomorrow on the mobile app and the website. Woo!